Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find K-pop photos on Pinterest. So if you guys are K-pop fans and you want to find the photo on Pinterest, you just need to watch this video. So here I've already opened the Pinterest.com in my computer, and then what you need to do is, of course, you need to click on the search columns right here and type in the keyword K-pop like this, and then you just need to click on enter, and then anything about K-pop will show up in here, and you just need to find the one that you like. For example, I want to open this one right here. You can either save the photo or you can just view the image. You can save it, and you can also download the video, the photo, I mean. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can find K-pop photos in Pinterest. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.